At 1508 North 57th Street, making a second recording now from the newly installed upstream Bob Oates clean out on the kitchen line side of the house. I've got the camera pushed up as far as I'm able to push it. I've got it located at a spot I took a picture of. There's some flower pots right near a gate. It's about 9 feet deep. I'm running into some sort of obstruction as I try to push up here. There's water holding in the line, and I'm unable to get a very good visual. You can see we're back in the PVC section now, but I can't see much of anything once we get upstream of that PVC. I can see that it's old concrete, and there's a fair amount of grease in the line. But once I get about, I don't know, 6-7 feet up past that PVC, I run into an obstruction there. Coming back through that PVC, now in our Bob Oates installed liner, it's tough to see much anything. I got grease stuck to the end of the camera. Yeah, so we go up our liner that we already got the earlier recording of, and the camera just starts getting covered in grease. You go into the existing SDR35 PVC, and up from there we just hit that kitchen grease. It's an old concrete kitchen line. See that it's original. As much as I can get on the recording.